Changing the embroidery bobbin is quick and easy. Here is how to swap it out properly and keep your embroidery running smoothly.
First, stop the machine for safety purposes. Open the bobbin cover and remove the empty bobbin case. Take out the empty bobbin and place a new bobbin into the case properly according to the video steps. Making sure the thread is fitting on the correct direction. Place the bobbin case back into the machine until you hear the click sound and close the cover. Now you can continue stitching process smoothly.